Automatic buy sell signal generator. In this chart, automatically it will generate like a buy call, sell call, like where to take entry, target and stop loss. So previous day a sell call started. That sell call momentum followed today also. Today means it's a Tuesday market, June 11 up to 9:50 a.m. After 9:50 a.m. buy call generated. So green color candle open. Daily automatically whenever the trend changes, whenever the market breakout happen, automatically it will generate the calls like a green color signal, like a red color signal. Right now it's a buy call, so it's a green signal. We can buy the bank nifty. We are watching in bank nifty future 1 minute chart. So the call came at 49,870, that straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily you will get the entry, like entry, target, stop loss. Through this entry you can do manual trading, auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. For chart plan details you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. So coming back to today's call, the call came at 49,870. The calls are generating based on our strategy. According to our strategy, whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give these calls. Okay, so through these calls only you are going to trade. The call came at 870. The first target is 995. It's 125 point first target range. After 10:30, a sudden bullish momentum, it break out the first target. Like this today, call generated and break out the target. In first 30 minutes, market has given a 100-point momentum, but not able to break out the target. After a volatile, after a up and down momentum, it successfully break out the target. Like this today, the first call, the buy call generated and break out the target.